decided to proceed with some paint. So we are going to sand the paint off the sides, existing green, down to the original gel, and then we'll apply the new paint via roll and tip. We'll also be redoing the boot line and sanding beneath. The customer himself is going to take care of the anti-fouling, sand it off and apply 2000. So we removed the pinstriping from the cove, through hull to remove still. And yeah, had a good dent in the paint here now. On the upper deck, we've tackled some of the stress cracked areas and began sanding and filling all necessary spots here. All around mast wood, chips, etc., and some heavy crack, deep cracking around the sides of the cockpit cabin area and around the winch bases. Hey, lots of flex there. So we're going to keep those moving along. Another round of filler, and then we're going to sand the whole area, prime it with a good polyester primer before we proceed to all grip primer. And then customer has some ideas for paint pattern for the anti-skid. You know, there was this line pattern with some sort of faux wood grain in there. So we're going to change that up, sort of modernize it, and make it a little bit sleeker, cleaner looking, while maintaining an anti-skid property, of course. The inside here, it's all completed. We need to brush some gel at the seam where it was glassed together, and then we'll clean this out and mask it off for paint. So there we are.